Welcome to Lesson 1, Creating a Project. Building an AI vision model is broken out into 4 steps. In this lesson, we will focus on creating the project and adding the images. If you don't already have an account, head back over to the Flexible Vision homepage to sign up. Click the Login button in the upper right of the page. Then click Sign Up and fill in your login and company information. Click the Launch button and you will be forwarded to your Flexible Vision app dashboard. Click the plus icon to add a new project. Type the name you would like to associate to this project and click Add. You will now see your new project card appear. The gray circle at the bottom right of the project card indicates completion progress. Let's click on it to move to our first step, adding the images. There are a few ways to add images to your project. You can use a USB webcam, upload from a file manager, or upload directly from a Flexible Vision on-prem processor. In this lesson, we will focus on the first 2 methods. Select the project and camera from the drop-down menus. Once you have your product within the camera's view, click the Snap button to capture the image. Repeat this process a few times to get a good variety of images. Usually 5 to 10 image samples is a good starting point. Now let's add a few images from our file directory. Simply click the Upload button to bring up the drag and drop upload box. Our images are now added to our project. Remember, you can always come back and add more images to your training set. To advance to start tagging the images, click the orange Tag Images button. In summary, we have now created an account, a project, added images from our local webcam, and added images via image upload. This concludes Lesson 1. Please join me in Lesson 2 to start tagging these images.